These days I'm getting a lot of emails asking me, hey Zubair, how we can start affiliate marketing. As a beginner, we know nothing about affiliate marketing. So as a beginner, what is the easiest method to make money with affiliate marketing? So to cover all your questions about making money with affiliate marketing, to start this from zero, from scratch, I have made this short video. Watch this complete video. I shall explain each and everything, where to start and how to reach your first $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. And by the way, comment section below this video is open for discussion. If you have any question about affiliate marketing, feel free to ask me. I shall be more than happy to provide you my knowledge about affiliate marketing. And if you want to share your experience about affiliate marketing after watching this video, please share your experience in the comment section below, okay? So that we can help other people to know more about affiliate marketing. Now let's begin and stay tuned with me. I am Zubair from digitcrafter.com, and today I am more than happy to publish this mini course video about affiliate marketing. So you can start affiliate marketing from scratch and reach your first $1,000 per month easily. Before we start, please subscribe my channel and click on bell notification. And please like this video. It will help me, support me to publish more and more videos. Just a small note before starting this video, please make sure you watch this complete video. Don't miss anything, because I shall try my best to cover each and everything that you should know about affiliate marketing. This video is about 20 to 30 minutes, and believe me, this is very important video and I don't want you to skip any part of it. So please pick your pencil or notebook or grab a cup of coffee. Okay friends, now what is affiliate marketing? In simple words, affiliate marketing is promoting product that is not yours. You don't own that product, but you are get paid when an action is done on this product. Please listen me very carefully. I am telling you the action, not the sale. What does it mean, no sale? You will know it later. You don't need to sell the product to earn a commission. You can do something else. For example, I have a product and I want you to promote this product online. And I want you to convince more and more people to sign up for this product, so that you can make a commission on each sign up. So the affiliate marketing is simply promoting someone else's products, and when any action is done on that product, like sign up or sale, you are get paid commission. Now as a beginner, the main question is how to start and where to start. Affiliate marketing starts with 3 steps. Let me start with step number 2. What is step number 2? Choosing the right product for affiliate marketing. And there are hundreds of thousands of products that you can choose from. You can pick one product, 2 products, or 10 products. It is up to you how many products you can promote. And step number 3 is promoting your product. You may be thinking, I have skipped step number 1. Why? Because in my opinion, step number 1 is most important step in affiliate marketing. Without step number 1, you can go to step 2 and 3. Before I explain step number 1, let me explain step number 2, which is how you can pick a specific product to promote. After knowing step number 2, you will be able to understand the step number 1 and why it is so important. Now let's go to my PC, where I will show you what are the websites you can pick products from to promote. Here is my screen and I have opened cj.com, and there are many other platforms like impact.com, share a sale, warrior plus. These are all affiliate platforms that provide you products to promote. Now, if you already know about these platforms, there may be a question in your mind that these platforms, the products on these platforms require approval. These affiliate platforms are almost available in every country. Other than these platforms, you can find many other affiliate programs. Just go to google.com and search a specific term there. Moreover, to save your time, I have provided and listed many of the top affiliate programs on my website digitcrafter.com. If you go to my website, and you can see there, I have posted their list of top affiliate programs of 2023. Here you can find a long list of top affiliate programs that you can choose from and start promoting it. I shall provide you practical example that how you can search and select these affiliate products. Therefore, it is very important that you don't miss any part of this video. The examples that I am going to show you may change your mind how you think about affiliate marketing. Now let's move to the practical example that I want to show you. I have opened website of a company named cloudways.com. Cloudways.com is a hosting provider that provide VPS and cloud hosting. So if you go down, and you can see this company provides $50 commission per sale, and if you refer 5 customers to them, it will pay you $250. Similarly, there is another product named GetResponse, which is an email marketing company. If you go down, you can see this company provides $100 per sale and 33% commission on every reoccurring sale. As you can see, these both companies are providing very handsome package. Now, these Cloudways and GetResponse were practical examples. You can join directly these affiliate programs if you don't have access to Impact or CJ. Why I provided you these 2 examples? Because there are many choices that you can select from if you don't have access to any affiliate program like Impact or CJ. Now let me show you how you can create profile on these websites that are offering affiliate programs. So if you go to Cloudways, their main page, there is given an option like affiliate. Click on it and you will see a form where they require some information about your website, about your name, country, whatsoever, and they also require how you will promote. I get a lot of questions on my email asking that here's where we got denial from CJ, Impact, and what should we do? How we can get accepted there? So this is the reason I want to remind you importance of this step number 1. Now let me explain you step number 1. What is step number 1? It is simply establishing your online presence. What it means? Please listen me very carefully. This is very important if you want to be successful in affiliate marketing. You can establish your online presence by creating a blog, a website, and your account on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. Why you need to create social accounts if you have a blog or website? Because the companies that provide affiliate products, they don't want you to spam. They want a trusted professional, a trusted person who can promote their products. And to be a trusted person, you need at least a website, a blog. Believe me, please, this is very important to be successful in affiliate marketing. And today, it is very easy to build a website or blog. Now you should know to create a website. It is very easy process. You can go to my website digitcrafter.com, where I have listed simplest and easiest method to create a blog. If you go down on my website, there you will find an option make a blog. Click on it and it will take you to another page where it says make free blog website in minutes. These are only 7 steps and you can create your blog within 10 minutes, believe me. The step number 1 is picking your website or blog name, and the second step is getting the hosting, and third step is a little bit different. It is only required if you are buying hosting from another company and the domain from a different company. So in this case the step number 3 is required. But if your hosting and domain are from same company, you can skip step number 3. Step number 4 is installing WordPress on your hosting. Step number 5 is installing a free theme. You can choose Astra or Cadence, but my suggestion is you should choose Cadence theme, okay? And the step number 6 is how to set up your WordPress website and install a theme of your choice. And the last step is to create some pages for your website, including about page, contact page, etc. So this is the easiest method I have published on my website to create a website. But what if you don't want to create website? There are other options. You can go to blogger.com. This is a free platform provided by Google to create a free blog, and you can go to medium.com. Medium.com is a place where people publish articles without any cost, and it is absolutely free. You can create as many articles on this Medium platform. And the next is sites.google.com. You can also create websites here according to your niche. There are a lot of options. No, I don't think that you should have any excuse that how you can create blog or how you can publish free articles on internet. So my suggestion is, it is not a suggestion, it is my recommendation that you should definitely have a blog. I have told you many methods that how you can easily create a blog or website. And if you need help regarding creating your WordPress blog, you can go to my website. I have published a lot of articles to guide you, to help you start the affiliate marketing. Now the step number 1 is having your blog. A blog where you can publish articles about affiliate products. Look at my blog. It is not a perfect blog, but I try my best to create value in my blog so that more and more visitors can attract to it. And that is the reason when I apply for any affiliate program, they go to my blog and see that I am providing valuable content and they provide me approval instantly. You can also get approval on affiliate products like me. But first, you need to establish your online presence by creating a blog. Believe me, it will take only 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes to build a blog. Start today, not tomorrow. Because if you don't start today, after 3 to 4 months, you will regret. So start today if you want to be successful. You must work. You must work hard. So start your blog and complete the step number 1, which is establishing your online presence. After creating your blog, start publishing articles on it. At start, you can publish 10 to 15 articles per week and then start getting the traffic. Now you may tell me, I don't know how to get free traffic. Please listen carefully. I have published a lot of articles about getting free traffic with SEO and social media platforms. You can go and check now. Another important information, when you are creating your blog, you must choose your path. You must choose the products you know about. You love to work with. For example, my blog is about digital marketing and online business, and I promote affiliate products such as Cloudways, Namecheap, InMotion Hosting. These are all hosting service providers. Now the video is longer than expected. I would want to finish it here, and I hope that you have some motivation from my video. If you need any assistance, you can send me emails or post your questions in the comments below. I would be more than happy to provide my assistance. Keep watching DigitCrafter. Bye.